Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to carve image in Photoshop. Let's begin. Go to File, right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, raster as layer. Then step on, click the rounded rectangle. I do not use stroke. Press enter. Then hold shift for fixed size and do not hold shift for custom size. Okay. Use radius 115 px. Then hold Control. Okay. Layer mask. Press Ctrl T. Hold shift and drag on your mouse. And again step 2, right click, convert to smart object. Click and select image, refine its radius, feather, contrast 100% and shift its use your adjustment. Radius 0. Layer mask. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.